The play button is too thin, so we are gonna glue it to this wood plank to make it thick, nice. Too thin, the base will break. Not epic. Thick, everything will work. Epic.
One eternity later.
Nice. Now we are ready to cut the wood. Let's start by making the neck slot. Cool. Let's make the holes for the bridge and pickup. Let's make the shape of the base. Now things are getting serious. All coming together, and I almost left, but I couldn't. Left reveal at 5 million subs. Subscribe! Mind blowing. We are ready to cut the gold plate. This is very dangerous. Don't try this at home, because I am sure you have these tools in your bedroom. Epic. I still have some pieces left. Epic focus here. Leave a comment now and I will send this to you. Everything is done. Now let's put all the pieces together and then we are ready to slap. Hell yeah, we are ready. Will it work? Let's try. Done. This is just amazing. Slap like if you agree. Well, that was it for today. Wait, at the beginning of this video I said this. Once the bass is done, I'm gonna play an epic slap bass solo on it. Let's slap the only YouTube Gold play button bass in the world.